Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In this video we will learn addition. Today our topic is addition. What is addition? Can you tell me? Addition means counting or putting things together. I repeat, addition means counting or putting things together. Here some of the objects will be given to us and we will count them. 1, 2, 3. How many footballs are there? 3. How many footballs are there? There are 3 footballs. If we add 1, if we add 1 more, now how many footballs we have now? Yes, we will count them together to add these footballs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and then it comes 4. There are 4 footballs. There are 4 footballs. Now we will count the cakes. Do you like cake? Here some of the cakes will be given and we will count them. 1. We have 1 cake. If we add 1, 2. In 1 cake, if we add 2 more cakes, then how many cakes we have now? Yes, students, count them together. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 cakes. How many cakes we have now? We have 3 cakes. Here some of the umbrellas are given and we will count them. 1. And if we add some more umbrellas. 1, 2, 3. If we add 3 more umbrellas in 1 umbrella, then how many umbrellas we have now? We will count them together. 1, 2, 3 and then it comes 4. Then it comes 4. We have 4 umbrellas. How many umbrellas we have? We have 4 umbrellas. Here we have some of the light lamps. Now count them. 1, 2. We have 2 light lamps. If we add 1, 2, 3. If we add 3 more. In 2 light lamps we add 3. Then how many light lamps we have now? Yes, students, count them together and tell me. Okay, let's start counting them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many light lamps we have? 5 light lamps. There are 5 light lamps. Here some of the chairs will be given to us and we will count them. Let's start counting. 1, 2. There are 2 chairs. How many chairs are there? There are 2 chairs. If we add 1, 2. If we add 2 more. In 2 chairs, we are adding 2 chairs. Can you tell me how many chairs we have now? Yes, we will count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chairs we have? 4. In 2 chairs, if we are adding 2 more chairs, then we have 4 chairs. Here we have some of the candies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many candies we have? 4. There are 4 candies. If we add 1, 2. In 4 candies we are adding 2 more candies. Then how many candies we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 candies. In 4 candies, if we add 2 more candies, we have 6 candies. There are 6 candies. Here we have teddy bears. We will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 teddy bears. How many teddy bears we have? We have 6 teddy bears. If we add 1, 2. If we add 2 more, then how many teddy bears we have now? We will count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 teddy bears. In 6 teddy bears, if we add 2 more, then how many teddy bears we have? 8. There are 8 teddy bears. In this video, we have discussed about the addition. In the next video, we will learn about the addition by counting objects. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.